In this video, I'll show you how to create a private server on Roblox. Creating a private server on Roblox is super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to create a private server for any specific games on Roblox, first thing first, simply go ahead and tap on the server at the very top from the Roblox homepage and search for the game. And once you've searched with the game, simply go ahead and click on the game that you want to create the server for. And once you're here inside the game homepage, you'll get to see the option server. Just to click on this, and inside this one, he'll get to see there is no server found date. So now to create a new server, he'll get to see the create private server option. You just need to click on this, and this is going to give you the option to this one. This is absolutely free, but some of the games actually require the Robux to create a private server, but this one is not costing. So you just need to first thing first, you just need to give the server name. And once you have given the server name, go ahead and click on buy now, and your server purchase will be successfully completed. Now go ahead and click on customize here, and you can actually customize the server the way you want. You can scroll down and make sure the friends allowed is enabled here, and also you can tap on add people, and you can search the username, and you can easily tap on this add button in order to add anyone to this private server. And also you can create a private server link by clicking on generate here, and you can copy the link here. And you can copy the link here, you can share it manually in order to join to the specific server. And this is how you actually can create a private server on Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.